airline travel can be extremely intimidating, especially if it's not something that you do all the time. If you have never actually flown before, or it's been a long time since you've flown, you might feel some anxiety, some sort of nervousness, like what is it going to be like? What am I going to encounter? I don't want to feel stupid. I don't want to get there and have everybody know what they're doing, and I don't know what I'm doing, and I don't want to feel dumb. I want to feel like I can make it, I can do it, especially if you're traveling alone. But it doesn't even matter if you're traveling alone or not. If you're traveling with other people who still know as much as you do, it's still going to feel very intimidating. You're going to feel like a fish out of water. Well, I don't want you to feel like that, okay? I want to be as if I'm your travel buddy, okay? I've been to more than 70 countries, all of them by myself, and I travel extensively, and I love to travel, but I remember what it was like to fly for the very first time, and I remember all of those feelings, okay? So that when I travel with other people now, and it's something new to them or something they haven't done for a while, I totally just like almost hold their hand through the process and walk them through everything. Okay, this is what you need to know here. This is what's going to happen in this next part, so that they have a little bit of a heads up, so they're not worried and they're not anxious and they don't feel like a fool, because you don't need to feel like that, okay? So I put together a course, okay? And a lot of times when people talk about courses on YouTube, they're talking about things that you actually have to pay for. But in this instance, this is all free. I just put together a 3-part video series, and each one covers a different part of your airline travel experience, okay? The very first video is going to be talking about everything that you need to know before you even leave to the airport. It's going to talk about like booking your flight. It's going to talk about packing. It's going to talk about like what kinds of things can you take with you through security. It's going to talk about all kinds of things, and it's done. I tried to do it in a systematic way, and everything that you need to know in order. Okay, so it's best watched in order. It's best not to jump around in the video. It's best to just start with video number 1 and watch it all the way through, and then go back and rewatch it if you feel like you've missed any parts. But that's the way it's intended to be watched. Video number 2. So video number 1 is all before you even leave to the airport. Video number 2 is once you get to the airport. What are you going to encounter? Like, how are you going to check in your bag? What do you do with security? Like, do you have to take off your shoes? Do you have to take out these things, that things? I explain all of that, of how to figure it out in the moment based on wherever you're at. Okay, I give lots of tips, lots of ideas of things that I've encountered that'll help you. And then also how to find your gate, and how all the terminology that you're going to need to know about the airport itself. Okay, so that's video number 2. Video number 3 is all about actually getting on the airplane and what it's going to like to fly, what you're going to encounter in the air, and also what it's going to be like to land and get off the plane and get your bags and get to your next destination. So I cover that in video 3. So as I said, there's 3 parts: before you leave to the airport, at the airport, and basically on the plane. So I really put a lot of thought into these videos because I wanted them to be something that would really help you as a first-time traveler, or a traveler who hasn't flown for a while, or is just nervous about flying. It's just been a while and you don't feel comfortable with it. It's understandable. Let me tell you, like I said, I fly extensively now, but there were a number of years where I didn't travel. And so the first time of going to the airport again and traveling, I was just like, wow, I've got to relearn all this stuff because things change too, you know? So I just really want you to feel comfortable. I want you to feel like I'm your travel buddy. That is how I put together all those videos, as if I'm just walking you through the process. Okay, so I hope that this is helpful for you. In order to access this course, you're just going to go to the link in the description of this video. Down below, there's a bunch of words, and it's going to say more. So you click on that, then it takes you to the description of the video. That's where the link's going to be to this series. You'll be able to click on that. It's going to take you right to the series, and they should be in order. Providing that YouTube doesn't do something screwy, they should be in order. But if you just look at each title, it'll say part 1, part 2, part 3. So you know you're watching them in order, okay? So anyway, I hope this is helpful for you. Please leave some comments in the comment section of anything that you think of as you're watching these videos, of maybe questions that you have that you'd like to have answered. I try to read and answer all of the questions. So, and maybe it'll spark an idea for another video. If it's something that I didn't cover and you still are thinking about it, like, oh, well, what about this? She didn't mention this. Ask me, please. I mean, I tried to brainstorm everything you might possibly need to know, but you still might come up with questions that you would like to know the answer to, and I'd be happy to answer them. So just leave them in the comments of those individual videos, and then I will respond to them. So anyway, and if you have any comments or questions related to what I just said, feel free to leave them in this video. Hey there, travel friends. I wanted to cut in really quick. This is Amy from the future. I'm just currently editing the video that you were just watching. And in that video, I'm inviting you to like a live session that I'm hoping to have. Well, the first one already happened. It was last week, and we are going to be doing these every single Thursday. They're called The Travel Club Live. And these will happen every Thursday, 1 p.m. Eastern time. Unless you hear definitely from me, just plan on them being at that time. And they're just really fun. Last week, we just chit-chatted about all kinds of things related to travel and resourcefulness with travel and being a better resourceful traveler. And this coming week, we'll have it on a different topic. And sometimes they'll just be Q&As, and we'll just sit and chit-chat and drink our favorite fun little lemonades or whatever beverage we want to bring with us and eat some snacks and just have a fun time together. Sometimes we'll have guest speakers. Sometimes we'll have, anyway, just all kinds of different things. I hope that you can join us. It's going to be lots of fun, and they're totally free, of course. And it's just a time for all of us fellow travelers to get together and just enjoy talking about travel. Okay, see you then. I hope that this is helpful to explain to you what this course is like, this 3-part series. And as I said, it's all free. There's no payment for this course. It's just the YouTube video series that I put together. So I'll catch you on part 1, and just click on the link below, or maybe up on this screen someplace, there's going to be a link to the course. I don't know if YouTube's going to allow me to do that when I post the video, but if I do, I'll put up a little link and you just can click on and go to it directly. All right, I'll talk to you later, guys. Please leave me some comments, ask me any questions, but I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.